Create and manage translation glossaries to ensure consistent terminology across all your content. Glossaries are collections of approved word translations that ensure consistent terminology across your content. They help maintain translation accuracy and consistency throughout your Salesforce metadata. Use Create Glossary to add a new glossary to your organization. Enter a name for your glossary and select the translation engine type. This helps organize related terms and defines which engine the glossary will work with. This field displays the custom engines available to link with the glossary. Connecting a custom engine is optional and can be added later if needed. Create the glossary. Your new glossary is now created and ready to use. To apply it, go to the Translation Engine Edit settings and select this glossary so translations will use its terms automatically. Open the glossary to add words and their translations in different languages. Use Add Glossary item to add a word or phrase that needs consistent translation. Enter the word or phrase and add a description to define its meaning. Add the glossary item. After adding a glossary item, it will appear in the glossary items list within the glossary, showing all the terms and their translations. Select a target language to add a translation for this glossary item. You can add translations for multiple languages. Enter the translation in the target language field. This is how the source word will be translated whenever this glossary is used. The glossary item now includes translations for all target languages. The Clone Glossary feature saves you time and effort by creating an exact duplicate of the selected glossary. This allows you to reuse existing terms, customize the cloned version for new projects. Enter a glossary name and select a translation engine to create a new glossary. Complete the duplication process. The system will create a new glossary with your selected name and translation engine. The cloned glossary is now created and visible in the list. If you need more details about managing or editing glossaries, refer to the documentation. This glossary is connected to the AWS engine, so we will test it in the metadata translator to verify that the glossary terms are applied correctly. In the Translation Engine field, select the custom AWS engine. This is metadata that the AWS engine previously had trouble translating. Now that the glossary is connected, we can see how the translation improves. Translate the metadata. Check the translation to confirm that the glossary is working with the engine as expected. The term is translated exactly as defined in the glossary. Compare the translation without and with the glossary to see the difference and how the glossary improves translation accuracy.